Okay, now I'm going to take Summer Soccer Challenge again. Playing today Waving Flag by Knaan. Okay, very important song. It's one of the most famous song, Waving Flag of FIFA World Cup. You know, Waving Flag song. Okay, going to play this song. Nice. Played some part of song. Notes are 93 out of 96. Timing is 87%. That's great. This is 100%. And one more try I'm going to do. Okay. One last try. This is level essential 1. Waving flag. Again the same mistake. Okay, going to play Waving Flag by Knaan. Very important song of FIFA World Cup, as you know. Going to start it now. The same issue is that 3-4-1. That's the issue. Okay. Going to play this fall song by again playing full song Waving Flag by Knaan. Okay, the one last try. played better than before. 95 of 96. Timing is 89%, and assist is 100%. I think one more last try I can do, but I think it's enough for today. It's enough for today. Okay. Thank you so much for watching it. I practice a lot. I will practice it after one more time. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much for watching it. Going to end it.